So the way that you guys play this, if you have a margin account, you can short it. Okay. You'll know because you'll have a short button. If you don't have a margin account, right, you'll buy puts. And because you bought it here, your stop is going to be above it, right? If that's the case, did this ever come back?
Negative.
Okay, so why did we get out?
Interesting. Okay.
You guys see it?
I see it.
That was all day long. For all of you guys, this is how you work your pre-market setup. Do you understand, everybody, now? Apple yesterday, 164.31. If it broke 164.31, what do we all do?
Get in.
My calls.
That's right. Or long it, buy to the upside, right?
Yes, yes.
Do you see the entry on Apple?
Yeah.
Your stop is below it. Does everybody see it? You know what's crazy? It kept touching and touching and touching. Look how many opportunities you had to make money on it yesterday. Do you see it? You know what's crazy? Look at Apple. This was the buy. Touched, never came back. New high a day. You guys all see that? Your stop is down here below it, right? Does that give you strength in the purchase now?
Yes, yes.
Does
Gives me
everybody
more
see this?
confidence.
Because I don't think some of you do. I think some of you still are questioning what's going on in here. And I need you to focus on this because this is what the long and shorts are. Right? And then the rest of the day, you could go, well, if it breaks above it, buy, right? So even you scalpers, if you're not off the 2-minute, right? As soon as it breaks that key critical level, you put the stop just below it and off to the races. Well,
that helps, Coach. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I see that much.
Yeah, Google 103.23. You see this green line? You see this? This is your buy. You see how it like barely came through? So some of you will have to stomach this little, I don't know, what is this? 10-cent move? Not even? 6 cents? I'm not sure. But do you see this? Here's your critical level. There's your scalp, right? Here's your critical level. There's your short. There's your long. There's your short. There's your long. Even I'm showing you because this is a super hard one, right? There's your short. There's your long. But do you see how you could do that all day long? And every time you do that, your stop is going to be on the other side of it. Now, some of them are very tough because of like this chop, 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 chop. But I'm just showing you that some of you, if you're scalpers, I mean, look at this. When it goes over, long, right? If it goes under, short, long, short, long. You see this, scalpers? All of this. See how it barely breaks through? These are all long, 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 long. Super payday. Does everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
So if you guys are scalpers, you can use those. They are going to be the biggest critical level of the day. It doesn't matter. All day long, you'll be able to run off of these, even if they're tight, because it will give you some kind of baseline, some kind of visual, right? Meta. Look at Meta. This was a tougher one, but look. Some of you be trying to short it down here, and it couldn't get through and break through and hold. So right here, there's your buy. There is your stop, right? So even if it come up here and you decided not to collect, at least it told you to get out immediately when it pulls through, right? Think about it. If you scalped this right here, this tiny one, but your stop was right here, zero, like barely a loss at all, right? I'm looking at you, scalpers, because otherwise you'd have been in 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, right? So scalpers, second it breaks, stops right here. Look at this payday. You see it? Signaling change. Watch to get out. Critical levels right? Do you see how it hangs around, hangs around, hangs around, hangs around, hangs around our critical levels? Does everybody see it?
Mhm.
Use it all day, regardless.
Pre-market high, coach. I mean, I'm just trying to see where the line is. The pre-market high.
No, the pre-market is what I walk you through every single day. They matter. You will use them all day, every single day. I cannot stress this enough. This is a scalper's paradise, right? For the rest of you, you're in the 2-minute, right? This is just 2-minute. This is just basic drill for you. Here, 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 here. Collect your money, retire. Get it? My scalpers, though, you guys can use these lines all day long. There's Microsoft. Look at your pre-market. Microsoft break of 280. This is why in the morning when I tell you guys, let me know anything pre-market breaks to the high or to the low, because what should you be doing if it breaks these critical levels? Right? Right here. Bang, there's your buy. Bang, it broke below. Right? Like, you guys can use them over and over and over. And if you miss this one, that's okay, right? Because it just gives you, as a scalper, a point of reference of what to use. Here's your pull, baby pull. Here's your pull, right? Do you see how you get to use each one of these little areas of something, though? But this, out of the gate, is the most important thing. If you hear anybody say, X broke high, pre-market high, X broke pre-market low, hammer it, right? And then your stop is just below it. Because even if it breaks through, comes straight back, no harm, no foul. Does everybody catch it?